Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add an image in a container in Elementor, right? As you can see right now I'm just creating a new web page of my website using Elementor, and while creating a page we find a plus icon in the middle of the screen, right? We just need to click on that to create a section, and here it is asking us about the layout, which kind of layout we want, whether we want flexbox or grid. So we are going to select the grid, and here in the grid it is asking us about the structure. So we are going to select the first one structure, that is of 2 column and 1 row, right? Now we have successfully created a section, right? And we need to add container in it. So for adding the container, you just need to move your cursor on the top black header line, and there you would find add element option, the plus icon you need to click on. And here in the left side toolbar, as you can see, you can simply search for widgets now. So you need to search for a container, and the container widget is over there. You just need to drag and drop this container in the first column of the newly created section. So now we have successfully added a container in the first column of newly created section, right? Now what we need to do is we need to add image in it, right? So either you can add a background image directly to this container, or you can also add an image box, right? So for adding an image box, you just again need to move your cursor on the black header line, and you will find an add element option, the plus icon, and here you need to search for the widget, right? So we need to search for image, and you will find the image widget, and you just need to drag and drop this image widget into the newly created container in the first column of this section, right? So we have successfully added this, right? Now what you can do is you can simply choose image from the left side toolbar, and you can add that particular image. So I have selected this image and clicked on select, right? Now we can simply add link to it, right? Whether if you want to add a custom URL, so if anybody clicks on this particular image, then he or she may be redirected to the next web page of your website. You can also like increase the width or like height or maximum width of this particular image by visiting the style section. You can also add hover effect, or like you can change the opacity and all, right, of this particular image. You can also add border to this, like whether you want a solid border or double or dotted border, and you can also increase or decrease the box radius. You can also add the box shadow, right? Going to the advanced section, you can change the layout, right? You can use margin and padding feature, and scrolling down you can also add motion effects to it. You can transform this image, and you can add background as well. You can add border and mask and all those things, right? So we are going to cover all these things in dedicated videos, right? Now this is how you can simply add an image box in a container in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.